12 players go and stand that side of the white line. If you're not involved in this one, don't worry, I'll rotate you now. 12 players over there. Players, can you come and help yourselves to any colour bib? Doesn't matter what colour you are, help yourselves and then walk into the orange area. Guys, if you're observing, just come and grab one of these whiteboards. Work in 2s and 3s. And I'm going to get you a pen. Any colour bib, yeah, fill your boots. Grab a whiteboard pen. And I want you to note down anything that you think I need to do or have done around those things. Any habits that you think, oh yeah, I like that. Think bigger picture stuff, yeah? Great, you've all put those bibs on and you look brilliant, but take them off. I'm serious. I know I'm smiling, but I'm deadly serious. Okay, make a tail. Yay. Now, the rule of this game, first one is, I must be able to see 2/3 of the tail. Yeah, so no hiding. Yeah? Who's feeling brave? Step forward to me if you're feeling brave. Yes, you're in. 2 more. Feeling brave. Can I have your bib? Great. Ben, you in? I'll have yours, mate. I'll shake your hand as well. Don't leave me hanging, bro. And remind me of his name?
Diddy.
Diddy. Okay, you no longer need one. If you've got a bib, protect it. If you haven't got a bib, grab it. And if I manage to successfully grab one, so if I grab Simon's demo. What happens now? He's not out, he's very much in the game, but I've got the tail. You must allow me 3 seconds to put it in. In that time, you could have gone and got someone else. Yeah? So you're always involved in the game. If you've got one of these, keep it. If you lose it, go and grab somebody else's. You must stay inside the orange area. You ready? 3, 2, 1, play. What do you think to the size of the area? Oh, would you say so? We'll ask them in a minute, shall we? In the square, yeah. Okay, I've got a secret mission for 3 of you. Need 3 people. Secret mission. Over here. If you fancy it, pop over. Right, secret mission is, if they've got a ball and you haven't, what do you think?
Get it.
Get it. So if you compare it to the bib round, once you get it, what do you think?
You've got to get away from it.
Keep it, yeah. If you force somebody out, they have to give it to you. Happy with that? So can you get on a ball? Yeah. Okay, guys, question for you. What do you think is going to happen if they haven't got a ball and they're coming in? Yeah, if they manage to get your ball, what happens? You got a decision. The 3-second rule's removed. I like that, well remembered. 3-second rule's removed, you've got a choice. You could either come and try and get it back off me or nick it off somebody else. If you've got a ball, keep it. If you haven't, can you get one? If you force them out of the area, what do I have to do now if Simon's forced me out? Simon's ball, because it's a game of football, isn't it? And Simon goes in, I'm going for somebody else. Make sense? 60 seconds. Okay. Can you get a ball? What kind of things have you spotted? Give me one each.
Well, in terms of management, it's always interesting.
What?
Well, you eat from the bibs and change. You can put the bibs on and take them off.
Right. So if we go back to organisation, I've got to have that stuff ready, haven't I? Yeah. I've got to have it nearby. So if you can put your little coaching area near to your session, it might just buy you a few seconds. Yeah. Go back to, what was the percent of the ball rolling?
No gaps.
70%, yeah?
No gaps.
No gaps, how do you mean?
Straight into the next session.
Right, so we get that fluency, if we can, yeah?
Whilst the others are getting the balls.
Brilliant. 20 seconds left! What have you got?
You've always kept talking to them.
Okay.
You've kept them interested.
Right.
Styles of it.
Is it always a...
You also made the box smaller as well.
Right, so change the space.
Change the space.
I'm going to critique myself now. Is it always a good thing for me to be seen talking to them? Last 10!
No, not always.
So what might I need to do sometimes?
Step back.
And do what? So that word observation's on there, yeah?
Yeah.
If you've got a ball, just place it in the kit area near the ball bag for me. That'd be great. There's 3, 3, 3 and 3. Grab a bib each. Reds, you're trying to tag green. If you tag them, you get a point. if you've tagged that player, you can't go for the same player twice in a row. Make sense? Greens, you're tagging yellow. Same rules apply. Yellows, who are you tagging? To keep it simple, absolutely. Yeah? Who are you tagging? Reds. Make sense? On your marks, do you know who you're tagging? You're running. Or you can walk if you want, as long as you stay in this area. Try and get as many points for your team as possible. When they started to run then, what were they going round in? What are they doing now? Yeah. Is that more related to the game? Yeah. What could we do, because there's lots of tags going on here, what could we do as maybe a safe option? To introduce a bit of safety. Like a get out of jail free card. Put something in, couldn't we? Somewhere for them to go in. What about if we introduce one of these? 10 seconds! Couldn't even space. Or should we say, if you've got this, you're safe.
Yeah.
But can you rescue a mate? Should we try that? So just talking to the guys on the side, so we've got an idea. If each team just grabs one ball, Blues, I've got yours for you. That ball grants you safety from being tagged. Ball in hand to start with. If Diddy's got the ball, he's safe. Yeah? If he sees one of his teammates in trouble, my challenge to you is, can you rescue a teammate from being tagged? How might you do it? Just pop a pass. Yeah? Make sense? So think about it. Individual or team game? Because you could hog the ball. But then you've got two of your mates after you in the car park. So I'm just going to leave that one with you. Do you know who you're tagging? Another question is, do you know who's tagging you? Right, so have a little strategy talk for 10 seconds. What's your strategy? What's your strategy? Do you think it's going to work? What do you think is going to happen with the player on the ball? Shall we observe? So pick a team. Red, pick a team. And I'll have the other ones, yeah? Red and yellow, yeah? Ten seconds left. Nice catch, Diddy. What a vision that was. That was superb. Great vision. And relax. In you come. So what do you have to think about with that game? Yeah, think about where the ball is, where you are, where the taggers are. So there's a lot going on, isn't there? Yeah? Cool. Okay, guys, just come in a bit closer. Just going to let these guys just share one or two observations that you made. Whether they're written or verbal, doesn't matter. Just borrow it. I'm not going to show you work off, don't worry. It's a good job less is more, isn't it? Look at that. We're looking at, or rather they were, organisation, communication, observation and management. Yeah? So anything that they saw that I had to do as a coach, maybe to tick one of those boxes, so to speak. Just throw in a couple of things that you saw.
What was that? So, in terms of keeping management of the group interested, gaps between the sessions.
So we said the timing of going from one task to the other, whilst there needed to be a little bit of an explanation, is trying to keep it short. I need to work on that, by the way, as a coach. Fact. Occasionally I like the sound of my own voice. I'm not afraid to admit it to myself. So if you go plan, do, what comes after? So I'm going to watch this camera back and I'm going to look at how long did I speak for? Did I use 50 words when 20 would have done? Because what would I gain myself if I used 30 words less? What was the ball rolling, Charlotte? 70%. So I'm critiquing myself there. So I like the fact that you thought I was quite quick. I think I can do better. Yeah? Observation, or one thing that you observed?
You kept it interesting at all times.
How?
Different things to do. You had the tag, and you brought a ball into it.
Okay.
You varied it around.
If you bring a ball in, sometimes the kids go crazy. Because what have they come to do? Yeah, get on this bad boy. Yeah? So it does. It brings the game to life. Could this act as a warm-up? Could do, couldn't it? You just got to manage that tempo, which is why we went back to fast walking, yeah? So if you can incentivise it, great. What do kids love to play, and what do they play in most school playgrounds? Tag or football. So do you know what? I'm going to combine the two in a minute. We're going to play football tag. We've already started to flirt with it, but I think we need to bring in a bit of direction and scoring a goal. You up for that, Ben? The last thing was observation. As a coach, what did I say you guys to do? What did you see the red do when this came in as a safe ball?
Well, good teamwork.
What did working well look like?
Organised. They were organised.
Okay. Does that help in football?
Yeah.
Being organised, having a bit of a plan?
We had foresight as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
Able to contain other people by working together.
wow.
They knew what it seemed to know what each other was doing.
Okay. I tell you what, I would take that feedback. That was superb.
Well, the space was appropriate for the activity and they moved through it pretty well.
Right, so they made best use of the space and they worked well together as a team, yeah? Who did you observe?
Yellow.
Yellow, what did we see? Don't look so nervous.
Stick close together.
Yeah.
That was obviously the strategy that they were playing.
What was it about tactful?
Before they went, they got together, huddled, spoke.
Yeah.
This guy went with the ball first. The other two spread it like a deterrent, almost to
Okay.
take the others away, and then
Right.
them to go through and tag people. So they
Does that happen in a game of football?
do that, but it looked like it.
Does that happen in a game of football?
Yeah.
Do you have to react to this thing?
Yeah.
Do you have to react to pressure from your opponent? Yeah, so just even in the warm-up after our arrival activity, hopefully I'm starting to get you switched on, yeah?